आंतरराष्ट्रीय खारफुटीच्या संवर्धन दिसा कुठ्ठाळच्या सेंट जोझफ वाझ महाविद्यालयाच्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी BMC सांकवाळच्या जोड पालवान खारफुटीच्या नितळसाण मोहिमेचे पुढारपण केले। खारफुटी वाठारात उडयल्ल्यो मूर्ती आणि कोयराच्यो राशी दाखोवन दिल्यो आणि चालू आशिल्ल्या संवर्धन यत्नाची खर गरज या वेळार उक्तायली। पळयात।
People don't understand what are mangroves, and most of them are like they are just destroying the they are just like only growing up and nothing. They are doing nothing. But they are actually the coastal guards who really protect us, and because of them we are safe over here. Or they protect us from heavy winds and all those stuff. So it's our it should be our initiative to clean up the garbage near them, and also be keeping the environment clean is very much important.
As we all know that there are many benefits from mangroves for us, though there are people who don't understand it and still like keep garbage near them. They don't even take initiative to clean the garbage.
We have seen now today the scientists have already flagged alarm on global warming and sea level rise. At this occasion, it is very important for the government to understand the importance of environment. We have seen during the rains, paus payela that's created havoc not only in Goa but across India. So which is very evident that climate change is now, not tomorrow. So on this occasion, it is we have done this cleanliness drive, and the importance of mangroves, which is a protected species under the Wildlife Protection Act, has to be protected, and government has to go all out to grow more such kind of species like mangroves asu, nalar screw pine asu, nalar forestry trees asu. So Magta Forest Minister, we have seen lately that he has converted more than 22 lakh square meter of land or green land into settlement. So if such kind of destruction continue, then we do not know what is going to happen to Goa, because there are already studies where many of the cities of Goa, including Vasco, is likely to go underwater. So government has to work a long-term strategy how such kind of destruction will not happen in the future.
So आमकां मागता सगळ्या लोकांची, तुमकां कित्याक बरी बरी हे तरी नृत्य तर नाकाय जाल्यार तुमचे इगोर्जी नाजाल्यार देवळांत हिंगा जायत्यो दुसऱ्याची धर्माचे जी आमी चयले जाता, म्हळ्यार बिकॉज ऑफ द सिट्युएशन त्या चिकडां आज पुरे मूर्ती आहात भरपूर आनी आमी चयल्या, बट ते काडूंक मेळना बिकॉज इट इज द टायड इज देर. सो हांव कितें मागता लोकांचे, एक प्रॉपर डिस्पोजेबल करपाक तुमकां नाका जाल्यार कोणा दिवपा जाता, शेजाऱ्यान दिवपा जाता, नाजाल्यार तुमच्या इगोर्जीन व्हरून, नाजाल्यार तुमच्या दुसऱ्या धर्माचे आहा ते देवळान नाल्यार व्हरून डिस्पोज करपाच्यो. अशें करप न्हू की तुमी एकाच तुमी मानताले एक तेंपा आनी तेकाच हो तो जागो न्हू चिकडांत.
There has to be more awareness among the people, locals. This being part of Sankwal people have to know, and Sankwal has beautiful mangroves, entire stretch. Our students have already made their study on the mangroves of Kortali, in which Sankwal was also included. So mangroves are healthy this side, but slowly we are going to lose them if we don't be responsible with this garbage dumping and other things.
कसले गार्बेज आसा? विच टायप ऑफ गार्बेज?
ह्या सुवातेर आमकां आतां चडशें मेळटा ते ऑल डम्प्स ऑफ इवन द सिमेंट बॅग्स जे आहा न्हू, कन्स्ट्रक्शनाक उजार केल्या ते. आफ्टर डुईंग देयर जॉब म्हाका दिसता तेमी हाडून द बेस्ट प्लेस टू डम्प इट वेर नोबडी कॅन सी इज दीस मँग्रोव माशीस मे बी. आनीक हो डिवेलपमेंट जो केल्लो आहा लोकां पासत आनी बॅरिकेड जी घायल्ली आहा, मोस्ट ऑफ द दीस गार्बेज इज हिडन behind this, and म्हाका दिसता that is a health hazard. If we don't clean it up today, then it can create a big health hazard. So त्या पासत we said let us do it. दुसऱ्यांक रावची न्हू, let us not wait for the panchayat to do it, let us not wait for the government to do it. They have lot of things to do. Of course it is their responsibility, but at the same time we as people we have to do something. ह्या पासत ही आतां गार्बेज हिंगा ती इवन जे पर्यटक हिंगा येता ते maybe the tourists who come over here, ते हिंगा बसता अशें दिसता म्हाका दिसता ते भशेन बिकॉज प्लेट्स मागीर बॉटल्स देन द चिप्स पैकेट्स all these things are found over here.
We, the students of Regina Modi, are here to be a part of this cleanup drive.
Now, madam, what sorts of garbage you found?
Yeah, we have found a lot of plastic over here, a lot of Pampers also over here, and we have also seen a lot of drinking bottles as beers and all other things are also there. And being a part in cleaning up this mangroves, I think it's very important because they are playing a very important role in our ecosystem. They are actually saving our coastlines. They are saving everything from the basically from the soil erosions. And even if we have any natural calamities and all, they are the ones, they are the protectors for us. So it's very important not only for this day to just come up and out over here and clean it up, but still do it on an everyday basis. So today we have our students from Regina Modi who actually came up over here and been a part of this cleanup drive with One Earth Foundation and St. Joseph Vaz College. And also we in school have our eco club. So I thought it's a good chance to come up, get the children over here and do these activities as a part of our eco clubs also. And I think all the other schools also should come up and get their children in these and have these type of activities.
गोवा 365 खातीर हिरू महाले, मनीषा जाधव आणि वैष्णवी साळगावकर.